Hi guys, this is Mimi, and today I will going to talk to you about the 10 things that I declutter that I don't need or I don't really use or I don't miss. So one is, if you have a kids, the kids clothes. At first I didn't remove it. Keep on piling, and then when you look for the clothes that's supposed to be, you thought like it's still fitting, and it's not fitting anymore because the kids is growing, like my son, it's growing. So what I did is I gather all the small clothes so he can use the clothes that is in the right size. So kids and kids clothes. Number two is his sippy cup. And sippy cup that doesn't have lids or straw. And then why would I keep on putting the sippy cup after all that he doesn't need it, because he can use glass or cup. And sippy cup, he doesn't need 10. Number three is clothing. My clothing or our clothes. Before, I always think, well, I will gonna keep these clothes because who knows, next year I will gonna lose weight and I can fit in it, so I will keep this. And then after embarrassing, but after 5 years or 6 years, still the same. In fact, my clothes size is getting bigger, from extra small, then medium, and then it's not really losing weight. That's why right now in my other video, I have a weight loss journey. But by the way, we're not talking about that. I'm talking about getting rid of my clothes that I don't use anymore. Because if I were gonna donate it or give it away, then somebody can use it. Instead, I keep on putting it in my closet that occupy room. Tendency, if I put it there and then I cannot fit it, I will not use it. So when I lose weight, then that's my reward. I will buy new clothes that I like. And number four is mismatch socks. Yeah, I don't know about you, but in our house we are pretty bad in our socks. I decided to buy one or two colors of socks, because if I buy colorful socks, then if you lose that one sock, then you cannot wear it. While if you have black or white or plainly black, then doesn't matter if you lose the other one, because you still have the same color and the same kind of type of socks. So in our house we have a specific place that I put all our socks. I don't have much. I put it in a specific area in a drawer, and after 3 to 6 months I will go through it and check if and match it. If the sock is not there, so I throw it away, because there's no sense of keeping all the socks when we cannot use it. And funny story is, one time I am in the hurry in a pair of socks, and then I wear it and thinking about, well, no one can see it, because you know that I wear shoes and I have long pants, so I want to take it off. So it's okay that I wear socks that's different color and different, the longer size, longer kind, and then the shorter one. So I decided, well, I'm in a hurry, so I just put it on. Lo and behold, I went to my friend's house, and then you take off your shoes. I never really think about it, and I took my shoes off, and voila, I forgot about it and walk around, and then I have a mismatched size. The bad thing is the color too. So never do it again. Hopefully not. Number five is the expired spices. I don't know about you, but I threw it away, all the spices that it's 19 forgotten. I call that 19 forgotten because we forgot about it. And after 5 years, 5 years above, I throw it away. And then my husband said, no, it will not be, it's fine. Spices will be fine for many years. And I said, okay, we'll try to keep after 2 or 3 years expiration, supposed to be able to throw that away, and he doesn't want it, so I just skip it and try to use it. It's not taste good anymore. It's the smell, even the smell is different and the taste is different. So why would I keep it? Number 6 is blankets or pillows or linens. You see in my other video that I get rid of some of the bedsheet cover that we didn't use because it's old, or we didn't really use it anymore because it shrunk and it not fit in our bed. So getting rid of the things that we didn't use and just keep the things, the pillows or the blankets or the linens that we use. There's no sense to keep that in the closet when we didn't use it. And I've observed that if we, I like pillows, don't get me wrong, I like pillows, but it's too much pillows. It can accumulate in, the space in the, supposed to be, you sit pretty good, but because of a lot of pillows, it's not really fun at all. Besides, you have to arrange it. I don't want to keep the things that we cannot use. Number 7 is paper stuff, mailings or magazines. I don't know about you, but in our house, our papers it's piling up, and sometimes it's like a year. Why we keep this mail in here when we don't need it anymore, and keep on piling, throw this away because you don't need this, and it feels good when you see like, wow, it's clean. Number 8 is cleaning stuff. When we moved from our house and we moved to this house that we live right now, I got a lot of cleaning stuff. The thing is, a lot of cleaning stuff was not cleaning. So when I didn't use it, I just keep this that I use. So the rest is posted. Number 9, I decided to dispose some of the mixer or blender. If you have like 2 or more than that, keep it when you don't use it. I just want to keep the mixer that I like and it's working. 10, the last one is pencil and pens. I think we have enough pens and pencils, but I don't know where it go. When we need it, we cannot find it, and so it's not working anymore and it's not writing. Throw it away. So I think that's all. That's the 10 things that I decluttered that I didn't miss anymore, and that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget thumbs up. Yeah, tusok. And if you haven't subscribed yet in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so when I have a new video in the future, you can follow me. That's if you like. Okay, before I end, I want to shout out these following people that always there. Shout out to Pinay Jungle Home. And I want to shout out also Mrs. Flynn in the USA. And also Nels Life in Nebraska. And who else? If you want me to shout out your name or channel, just put down in the comments below #shoutoutmimi. So I will gonna go into it and I will shout out. Here all around the world, shout out to all of you. You know who you are, even though they don't have channel. So okay, bye bye.